Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a cutout text design using image mask. Choose a background image with rich textures and also add a solid color layers above it. Now type your bold text on his layer, drag the background image above the text, right click and select create clipping mask. The image now fills your text area beautifully. And also add drop shadow for depth, duplicate and offset slightly for 3D feel. Now insert secondary text below for context, add a border frame for clean design and adjust contrast using levels. Now merge visible layers and add subtle textures overlay on top.